In this video, we're going to be looking at place value. I've got the number 1649.79. This 9 has a place value. This represents units, or ones. Moving one column to the left means that we multiply by 10. So the 4 represents the tens column. Continuing to the left again and multiplying it by 10, we arrive at the hundreds column. So this 6 doesn't just stand for 6, this stands for 600. And multiplying by 10 once again, we move to the 1, which represents 1000. Next to the units column, we always have the decimal point. And the column to the right of the decimal point is our tenths column. The 7 doesn't represent 7, it represents 7 tenths, and 7 tenths can be written as 0.7 or 7 over 10. Now if moving to the left means I'm multiplying by 10, moving to the right from the units column means I divide by 10. And moving to the right from the tenths column means that I divide by 10 and arrive at the hundredths column. So the 9 doesn't stand for 9, it represents 0.09 or 9 hundredths.